Working on this here Sierra. Getting the body work done. Got a right rip down, bud. F***ing mint. Well, what we have here is an 07.5 GMC Sierra extended cab, and got some rocker panels that need to be changed. I got this truck for my father-in-law. He went and bought a new one, and they didn't want to give him anything for it because of how rotten the rockers were, so he offered it to me for nothing, and I obviously jumped on it. A free truck's a free truck. So I figure the money I'm going to put into the body panels I would have had to put into buying another one, so win-win. In Canada, you get 10 years out of your truck before you need body work, you're in real good shape. So this being an 07 and it being 2021, well, it needed body work. So we're going to order up some parts and bring it in the shop and start tearing her down. Just going to drill out the spot weld. You can see I already did them all the way along. Once I get them all done, I'm going to cut it across the bottom line. The top line is where the new panel is. We'll trim our way to that line and that line. And the bottom is obviously pretty well open already. So let's see where this gets us. I'm trying to do both at once here. So you only want to drill through the top layer. There's actually 3 layers there. You can kind of see it, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna fix it on there. So we just drilled this one, right? No, it was this one. Hear that pop? That's the spot letting go. Needs a little bit more drilling. There we go, should be gone now. Boom, see? Now it's gone. And we haven't really damaged the inside flange. That little bend or weave was there before. But you can see, straight all the way down, straight all the way down. And this is just the molding on the door. That's where all these pinch welds hide. So we're gonna leave just the last one here, so like I said, and then again a line down here showing where the new panel is, and I'm probably gonna cut it back quite far. And you can see inside here is the cab corner. It's kind of crusty, but we'll sandblast that out and treat it before I put it all back together. Okay, there's the chunk on the outside that we're going to cut off, or that is cut off rather, and then you can see this inner channel thing. That's not going back on, because what we have is the outer and then the inner. Not this chunk, just the piece behind it here that attaches to the lower seam of the new piece up there. So just finish zipping out the rest of these all spot welds and see where we end up for this. Might be good enough. It looks like most of the rot's on the outside of this panel here, and that's why we're not putting it back. Otherwise I thought of just cutting it along here and leaving the flange around the rubber seam here, so it was the same thickness. But anyway, can't do that because it's a little rotten here too, and definitely don't want to leave this here because it will rot my new panels. All right, we got that inner channel out. No, that's the inner rocker panel there. So I have that replacement piece as well. It has its own mounting flange. It's not part of this rubber door seam thing. It matches. You can see the spot welds all along the bottom there, all the way across. So if I drill all of those out, work my way this way and over there, make a decision about how far I cut out of the cab corner and what I leave. The cab corner is not in too bad a shape. I'll sandblast that out, like I said, and make her all nice before I seal her back in. But it's not too bad. We're making good progress. Okay, I got the majority of the inner rocker panel out. Just have this one little piece to get the spot welds off of, and there'll be another body mounts like this here and like this here right behind there. So you can see we got all along the bottom edge, all the spot welds to get it off of there. And then we're going to duplicate this round spot here on the new piece. I'm going to cut along that round spot and butt weld it in. Okay, we got the panel off there, and then we got the new panel all cut to fit that round spot. Got her clamped in place right now. It looks pretty snazzy if you ask me. I don't know what the f I'm doing, so just kind of winging her. Stick around. So for rust treatment, we're going with this Duplicolor Rust Fix. Supposed to stop rust on contact and sprays on clear and then turns into this black primer. Seems to be working pretty good. I don't know if you can see it, but it's turning the rust black, so. Well, boys and girls, she's all welded in. Got a little ugly in some places, but it is what it is. Got her butt welded here too. Like I said, not perfect, but good enough for the girls I go with.